What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I was given a recommendation by a guy in the comments called George, and he said to try a reaction video to Skitzo in Shanghai. He said that some of the choreography is absolutely fantastic, and that I would actually enjoy that one. So I'm gonna give that a watch. This is literally my first time looking through this video, so we'll have a look. Hope you enjoy. Okay. Whoa. Alright, it's staring into my soul. Okay, whatever it is, I didn't do it. Wow. Wow. That looks like it hurts. Ow. Wow. Jesus. This guy's amazing. He is like literally on beat. And the glides. Like he's floating, that's amazing. Wow. So good. What? That's not even... Wow, that it looks... He doesn't look human. Like, I don't feel like you should be able to bend your body that way. Jesus. Wow. It must be double jointed. They have to be double jointed to do that kind of stuff, surely. I love subtle movements, like, they look easy to do, but they're definitely not. That was so good. Wow, damn. Alright, I see why you want me to watch that now. That was absolutely phenomenal. Just everything about that was great. Just no fancy camera work, just one guy giving it his all. That's absolutely amazing. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. I do take on suggestions. If you want to hit me up on Twitter, that's absolutely fine. It's literally at HostileGamerTV, and I do take on suggestions from everyone, as you can see. George suggested this to me, and I'm glad that I'm getting people's input into the channel as well, and what you guys want to watch as well. So I do videos every day, and obviously you guys' input on what you want to view in the channel is definitely key to the success of this. So if you want me to watch a video, leave a comment by all means, and I will definitely look into that for you. George suggested this one, and I see why he suggested this now. So thank you very much for that one. That was fantastic to watch. The way I see my channel going is not so much a reaction video, it's more watch with me. You're kind of watching it with me. If you've not seen the video before, then you are literally sitting with me watching the video with me. So I don't see them as reaction videos, just more like a get to see what I like and see what you guys like, and to share the kind of hidden gems that you get on YouTube, and that, you know, if you didn't get suggested by somebody, you probably wouldn't even know that video existed. So it's definitely something that I am looking forward to, and hopefully growing with you guys, and people that are here from the start, and, you know, that watch my videos and stuff like that. I really appreciate this. I don't think you understand how excited I was when I saw my first video get 100 views. I was literally ecstatic. I couldn't believe it. So thank you very much to everyone that watched that. And if you want to subscribe, if you feel like I'm the kind of content that you like, by all means do that. If not, then cool, you've watched my video, that's fine. I'm not to everyone's taste, so I do appreciate that. So thank you very much for watching to the end of the video. Thank you for watching me ramble, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.